Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the importance of speed for data teams. So let's get right into it. Everyone knows that speed is important to businesses. Why is speed even more important when it comes to your data org? Data, as we know, is the bridge between engineering and the business. And data-driven insights act as a balancing metric between making decisions solely on intuition and hunches. Businesses are always evolving and constantly need help with decision making. It's obvious that if your data team isn't able to provide these insights in a small enough time frame, the business is going to have to move on and make decisions based on its limited data, relying more on hunches and intuition. It turns out that majority of companies today are not getting the right value from data. That's because data teams are always playing catch up. And if your data teams are playing catch up, they're just not providing the right value to the business. Why this is a much harder problem for data teams as opposed to engineering teams is that they can plan features or products and work backwards and figure out when they need to deliver these. Data teams can't do this. The business cannot predict when it's going to need help with decision making. As a result, data teams always have to be ready and extremely quick to act. Now that we have spoken about why is speed so important for data orgs, let's look into the top 3 reasons data teams are slowed down. Number 1, not having an end-to-end platform. If you don't have the right infrastructure or tooling and your teams have to figure out how to build and maintain your stack, this is just going to add too much overhead. Number 2, data talent. We're living in a world where there's a shortage for engineering talent. This is even more compounded for data teams. If it's going to take you months to hire, onboard, and train new hires, this is a sure way of not being able to keep up with the business. Number 3, expertise. If you don't have the right expertise and rely on trial and error for every single decision, you're not going to be able to keep up with the business. If you're interested in solving all 3 of these problems, 5x gives you the right platform, engineering resources, and expertise all in one place. Companies using 5x are able to deploy end-to-end data strategies in weeks, not years. If you're interested in finding out more, please visit us at 5x.co.